Hi friends, this video shows how to install Apple TV app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Media tab. Select Media tab from top left corner. Then go to left side. Select All apps. Now I am inside All apps. Here go to right side. From top right side, select Search. Select the search field. So from here we can search for Apple TV, or go back, then go down under apps. Here we can see video and music apps. From this list we can select Apple TV. Let me select Apple TV, then select download. Done. So now it's downloading Apple TV app. Please wait. Okay, installation completed. Now Apple TV app is ready to use. Let me go back, go to media. Under media, here we can see icon of Apple TV app. From here we can directly open this app or go to app library. Under app library we can find all apps installed in PS5. Let me select Apple TV app, then select start. See, this way also we can open this Apple TV app. So this way we can install Apple TV app in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.